working, folks. It's been a long time, man. Look, seats are very hard to choose, right? And they're not cheap. So I waited and I waited and I waited. I've seen some, you know, different brands out there. I've sat on some different brands. Wasn't too thrilled about them. My boy 2147 crew has actually got the same seat. He allowed me to sit on his bike, and man, from just sitting on that seat that one time, I fell in love. I already loved the way the seats look. They've got some different models. I went with the Freedom Series, and it's gonna be the Freedom Series from BOYZ Cycles. So BOYZ Cycles is who I went with. They're out of California, man. These seats are all handmade, amazing quality. I'll tell you a little backstory on this seat here. So this seat I have is an actual Harley Davidson seat. Me and the wife, Mello, who was running the camera, we were going on a trip to a motovlogger meetup a while back, and I had the stock seat, and poor Mello was hurting. Hey, man? Mm-hmm. Very, very bad. I mean, we stopped and got a kayak cushion seat to try to put on her to help her out. Nothing, so we ended up getting to horny. We ended up getting... We ended up getting the horny toad Harley Davidson, right? I ended up having to break down and buy this seat, which is just the like the ultra seat, right? So, which helped out, right?
Yeah, it did.
It helped out. It's just your stock Harley seat with the stock backrest. But for me, even this seat here, man, about 150, 200 miles, I start hurting. My back starts hurting, and it's just not very comfortable. It's really wide around the leg area. I'm hoping that, well, I know this is gonna take care of that because the seat, the way it's designed, is dope. So enough chitter chatter, man. Let me go ahead and bust this box open, and I'll do an unboxing real quick, show you what it looks like, and I'll show you what I went with as far as color stitching and all that good stuff. So let's bust this open. I spoke with Mr. Eli, man. Eli is awesome. He helped me determine. I was gonna go with one seat, and he was like, dude, if you really want to crush miles, you need a good pillion seat. He goes, the Freedom Series is the one you want to go with. So he really helped me out as far as picking the right seat for me. So it's packed in here. So this box here is going to have just the main seat in it, right? So it's got all your foam in there, man. This is the extended reach BOYZ Cycle seat. This is your Freedom Series seat. So dope, man. So rivets everywhere. This is gonna be your caps to mount it down on the bike. It's got little rubber stoppers here. Looks so good, man. Like I said, these are all handmade. The stitching I went with, the gray stitching. So you got gray stitching here. They've got different colors you can choose from. The leather is perforated, man. So, I mean, it even feels super soft, man. Look at that. Stitching is amazing. Look at the detail in the stitching. Just so nice. You got your little high rise in the back. Embroidered logo here, BOYZ. This also can fit a backrest. So the backrest is just gonna sit right into there, right? So I got the Freedom Series seat combo, right? So that's gonna come with your solo seat. It's a modular seat, so it comes with a solo seat, comes with the pillion seat, and then the backrest as well. If you wanna just order just the seat, if you're running solo, you can order just the seat. If you don't want the backrest, you can order just the front seat and the pillion. So it's just whatever you want, man. They can put it together for you. You can have whatever style you ride as far as a seat, and they can have it made up for you. So this is gonna have not only your foam, but it's also gonna have gel inserts in there. To me, man, it's really thought out. Tie backrest here. I love that, and then I'm gonna have the backrest on top of that, so it's really gonna help me for my lower back. So let's go ahead and take off the other seat that I have on there, and let's do some measurements, because this is an extended reach. It's supposed to put you back about 2 inches further compared to if you got the standard. So the standard is 1 inch further back. Extended reach is gonna give you 2 inches back. So let me go ahead and take this seat off, and then we'll put them side by side and kind of give it some measurements on your width of the seat and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and do some measurements here. Side by side, of course, you know, but I mean, look at the craftsmanship. You got staples on the Harley one compared to, I mean, look at the stitching and the craftsmanship of this here. Just, to me, totally different, man. High quality here, very high quality. Where my ass is gonna be at, I mean, you've got probably about 13 inches from here to here. So here, because of how this curves up, I guess my ass is basically sitting in this area, which is going to be probably about almost 16 inches, okay? And then from the tip to, let's go to here because that's where my back, that's as far back as I'm gonna be able to sit. Probably got 13 inches. Is that what we're looking at? 13 and a half. And this is damn near 17 inches. So that's gonna put me way back, which is nice because right now I feel like, you know, I'm still a little cramped up. So that's gonna give me a lot of room to sit back in the bike. If you can tell here, let's see. So you see how this is narrowed down to where your legs sit down and around compared to this, how wide that is, maybe 12 inches compared to 9.5, 9 maybe. So it's gonna be a big difference, man. It's gonna be a big difference. It's definitely gonna look fucking way cooler. I mean, look at the two. Grandpa Paw, badass motherfucker right here. You know what I'm saying? So, because I have the stock backrest on here, this is the bracket system that I had to use for the stock backrest, or Harley Davidson backrest. I'll take this completely off because the backrest for that mounts directly into the seat itself. So that's just gonna, all the bracketing is in there. So I don't have to worry about adding anything extra. But let me take that off and then I'll show you exactly how this installs and will look if you were gonna run this as a solo seat. This is gonna be, of course, made for this tab here. So we're gonna slide that into there. And then these back here are gonna slide over these two bolts here. Let me get this latched into here. So that's on there, right? And then these, that slides into there, and then you slide it forward to get up on there. So now, see how those are in there? So once we tighten that down, that's gonna go right on, the thumb screws are gonna go right on those bolts. And then this is gonna be a 5/8. Okay, let me get these latched down and I'll get back with you. All right, so got those on. Look at the profile, man. How slick is that? Gray stitching. Beautiful seat. So that's what it's gonna look like if you're gonna run it solo, right? Just imagine me not having the trunk on there and just having just the seat with the fender back there. All right, so let me sit on it real quick so you can see what I look like on there. The extended reach is nice. It stretches me out, but with that backrest, I might be able to come up just a little bit. The backrest is totally adjustable to where I can get just in the perfect seating position, because with the standard reach, I just felt like I was a little too far up on the tank. So with this one, I've got the ability to move back. My legs are wrapped around the bike now. It's because before with that seat, my legs are way out here. With this one, man, I'm just able to just cradle. You hear me? If you can see her face back there. But just cradle the fucking bike, man. Okay, this is gonna feel really good. It sits me down, even further down into the bike as well. So that's the thing too, right? These seats, man, basically, I really feel like, even 2147 Crew said, basically right out in the box, man, it's pretty daggum comfortable. So, and of course, it's just gonna get better once I ride it and break that seat in. That thing just looks sick. Folks. So, as you can tell, totally different day, totally different area, but that's how you install this bad boy CYCLEZ seat right here, man. And as you saw throughout the video, make sure you go ahead and use my discount code if you're gonna snatch one of these up. You won't be disappointed, man. I've already put, let's see here, 477 miles on it since I've gotten it. And like I said before, they don't do nothing but get better with the break-in, man. Such a great seat. Super impressed with how everything came together. The fitment's just amazing, man. So if you're looking into a new seat, I know there's a ton of companies out there, but please give them a call, man. Message them on Instagram, email them, Bad Boy CYCLEZ. I'll put all their stuff down below in the description, their Instagram, their website, all that stuff, man. badboycycles.com. Go check them out. Any questions you have, ask them. They'll get them answered for you. Use my discount code KNUCKLESTV10, and that's going to give you 10% off of that. They even have back pads for the trunks as well. So we'll be doing another video once I get my pillion seat and the backrest, man. And then I'm going to do a whole video on the seat, riding with it, what it feels like, the ups and downs. If there's some things that I found that I wasn't too happy with once I put more miles on it, man. We're actually going on a trip this weekend, so hopefully I can throw some miles down with that, give you a real detailed review on that stuff. Check them out, badboycycles.com. Check out all their information down below in the description, and if you do grab one up, I promise you will not be disappointed. So until next time, until next install, much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See you.